Today is April 24th. It is Tuesday, 2018. I'm here with my beautiful little girl, Gracie, and...
Monday.
Okay. She is now on my crazy list. Crazy monkey list. Anyway, Gracie, say hi.
Hi.
What you know? You want to tell everybody what you got in your mouth?
No,
Here,
it's
let me do this. There we go. We're going to do that. There we are. There. Now, talk.
It's a water thing where back here is an actual bladder. I mean like a bladder. A human bladder. And then like blood comes in here with water mixed in. And then I think
So you like that?
And
You know what it's called, right?
a bladder.
It's called a hydration system.
Hydration system.
Some people call them Camelbacks, but that's just a name brand.
Camel packs.
But actually, you have a hydration system that turns off and on. I've got one too. Mine's bigger than yours. But now,
That means I get less blood. You get more blood. You're Dracula.
blood. It's called water, not blood.
Don't listen to him. He just like from human. I'm gonna take a bladder.
You're weird.